response and their timing processes are too fast, and the engineers are too qualified. Especially we are getting good response from their technical teams as well as their procurement and order sales.
We are very happy with the Sysnet. They are flexible service and very comprehensive, and we are really happy about Sysnet.
We had a very good working relationship with Sysnet for the past 12 years. So we intend to carry on with this working relationship with Sysnet, and I think we'll build upon it. Let the business grow together.
Sysnet is having a very compatible staff strength who are really customer friendly, and they have been in our service as and when we require them, and time is not the factor for them, service is the factor.
Sysnet has been one-stop solution for all our IT needs.
For the past 13 years, I know Sysnet, and they are providing IT solution. Sysnet 所提供的硬件跟软件的方案非常适合我公司的运作。
For the past 2 years, Sysnet, a niche IT services company, has been providing us end-to-end IT solutions.
Sysnet is our ICT partner who help us reduce the cost and operational risk.